Alright, Appendix C, 1910, 120 Compliance Guidelines. Occupational self-health programming. Each of the hazard with the site cleanup of the effort of the aquatic occupational safety health program head with the site of the coordinating employers representing the purpose of the program will protect the employees. The site will be an extension of the employer's overall safety health program. Program will need to develop the work. Begin with the site of the implement with the work. Pursue the site. Paragraph B of the program is fast. Facilitate coordination, communication, and safety health issue among the personnel responsible for the various activities which will take place on the side of the provider. The overall maybe the planning, implementation, need of safety, health during the job orientation, employee will be working on the side of the program. Will provide the means of identifying with the control work side of the hazard beam of the monitoring program efficiency program will need to cover the responsibility and authority of the site. The employee's manager, manager of the site of the safety, health of the employee, of the site of the relationship with the contact with the support service, which are the safety and health responsibility of the employee with the side of the for the contractor side, the need of the safety health of the program structure smoothly with the interface of the program site coordinated by the principal contractor. All the employees involved with the treatment of the storage and disposal of the way of the cover in paragraph Q with P with the health program with the employee with the program is good with the hazard communication program in paragraph P1 for the tasks that are required in paragraph P7 with the A and PA with the parts of the employee competence of overall safety health program. Program is to be written each side of the work. Safety health of the program will be needed and include the following policy statement aligned with authority acceptable in implementing programs with the program or over the safety health of the supervisor, manager, staff, of the method of developing, procedure to identify the control workplace hazard is the site through means and method of development, communication, and employee with the various plan with the work rules over this standard operation procedure practice with the individual employee with the supervisor for me with the trained supervisor employee develop the need with the skill of the knowledge to perform the work of the safety harmful manner means of it to anticipate pressure for the emergency situation, obtaining information feedback of the evaluating program, improving the effectiveness of the program management. Employees should be trying continually to improve the effectiveness of the program, therefore enhancing the protection and authority of the work on site. Alright, accident on site with the workplace should be the investigator provide the information have the steps of the occurrence with involved avoided feature when injuries and illness occur with the site of the workplace need the investigator determine when need to be done with the prevent the incident with the step of the information will need with the feedback and effectiveness of the program information turn the position step prevent with the reoccurrence of the receipt of the employee suggestion complaint with the relating of the safety health of the issues side of the workplace activity and feedback mechanism called with the reviews effectively improve the program may serve the parts of the evaluate tool for the development and implementation of the program the most effective program professional safety health and personnel with the certified safety professional based certified industrial hygienists registered professional safety engineers are good example of the professional stature for the safety health managers for the administrative program. The training program employees of the requirement of the paragraph of the same that should address the safety health hazard employees should be defined with the hazard cleanup with the control method technique of the effect of these have with the monitoring perceived the effect of the characteristic exposure level which may the employer safety health program on safety health plan should be included the hands of the training personal protective equipment clothing that may be expected to use the concept of the OSHA standard relevant employee with the duty function employee with the responsibility OSHA of the regulations supervisors will need the training and their responsibility under safety health of the program and subject to the area of the level of contamination program personal protective equipment program medical surveillance program emergency response plan and other areas. Training program with the employee with the subject requirements paragraph P with the same with the should address the employee with the safety health program and elements of the impact safety employee have the communication program, medical surveillance program, hands control of the test for the hazards employee that need to know on their job duties and function require annual refresher training. Training programs employment with the coverage requirement of the paragraph give the same should address the compliance to the requirement of the various levels of response with the hazards associated with the hazards of the have identification awareness notification appropriate the need for the use of the personal protective equipment including respirator documentation procedure to use pre-planning activities of the include the emergency response planning company the same with the operation procedure they have the emergency response with the incident with the command system and other subject with the hands-on with the training would be sure the whenever the possible criteria done after the incident with the evaluation with the worked with the would not know who did not know and how could the incident better handle the next time maybe except for the training time. Hazard material special they usually remember the hazard material team of the transportation should address the care of the testing chemical to protect the clothing including total and encapsulating to the medical surveillance program of the same operation procedure the hazard material. Including even the plunging and hatching, equipment the subject of the area of the officer leave that may be expressed with the instrument of the instrument that should be fully announced with the company and instrument of the command if the instrument of the known and how obtaining additional strips to the fitting of local district emergency response plan with the same emergency response plan. Our specialists employ with the technical expert, the medical expert, the environmental expert, the work with the hazard, to the regular job, the main shift, to the incident side of the ship, the manufacturer, government agent, to provide the shift of the person in charge of the incident, should have the training. The annual base for the training should include the care of the youth for the personal protective equipment, include the respirator now for the instrument of the command system, and how they relate in there, the need for the complete with the correct, respective of the field with the relief for the safety, health involving specific have the substance for the select. Skill support personnel shift for the employee with the work for the public water department, equipped with the areas operative with the bulldozer, the small sand truck, the backhoe, and other, etc. May be called with the incident scene with the provided with the emergency support assistance should be have at least safety, health of the breathing, enforced entering the area, potential critical actual exposure to the skills support with the person. But the not been an emergency, the response plan did not meet the training requirement should be aware of the hazard of the face should be provided with the necessary protective clothing and equipment required for that task. There are two national fire protection associations, 472 with the professional combined to the hazard material incident, the NFB recommended pass the response to the hazard material incidences, which are excellent resource documentation area for the aid for the fire departments of the emergency response organization developing training for the program and for the NFPA 472 provide with the guidance skill of the knowledge needed for the first responder awareness level, the first responder operation level, the hazard technique has been specialist of the guidance for the officer corps with which will be trained with the hazard the substance incidents. Decontamination procedure the trouble the of the tailor and specifically have the inside of the very complex with the number of the shepherd depending on the level that have the employee exposed to the have the documentation procedure the personal protective equipment the documentation method the varying depending on the specific subject. Substance one over the some procedure that may be made that not working all the substance evaluation. A decontamination method of procedure should be performed and necessary for the sure the employee with the not exceed the have the using personal protective equipment reference Appendix D with the guidelines establishing the effective documentation program in addition to U.S. Coast Guard manual policy guidance for response to the hazard chemical release U.S. Department of Transportation Washington D.C. Common Instruction M41646530 good reference for the establishing effective documentation program. Emergency response plan state along with the designated district state of developing have develop a local emergency response plan. State of the district with them should be utilize the emergency response plan with the code of the state. Or employer should assure the emergency response plan compatible with the local plan and major reference to the developing state of the local district plan with the hazard material of the emergency planning guide NRT 1, current emergency response guide both of the U.S. Department of Transportation CMA, camera track with the fire sign with the emergency management handbook also with the resources. Employers involved with the treatment of the disposal of facility hazard, which require the contingency code for the permanent would not be the duplicate of the same manner alone. The item of the emergency response plan with the properly traffic with the contingency plan may be subject to the emergency response plan and require the 1910-120, 1910-128 otherwise task gap with the energy with the other employee as uses. Personal protective equipment program for the purpose of the protective clothing equipment issue with the isolate individuals from the chemical, the physical, the biological habit of the man encountered with the hazardous substance. The discussion brings be that no single combination protective equipment that is capable of protecting against all hazardous personal protective equipment should use the conjunction of other protective method the effectiveness evaluated periodically. Personal protective equipment can itself the greatest significant work have the heat stress, physical, psychological stress, impaired visual mobility, communication for any of the given situation. Equipment that clothing should be selected to provide adequate level of protection. However, the overhead protection show the well is under protection. The other hazards should be avoided where possible. The two basic for the object of the personal protective equipment program to the wear of the safety of the health of the hazard and prevent injury with the wear of the incorrect and or malfunction. Personal protective equipment to accomplish with the comprehensive program should include hazard identification, medical monitoring, environmental surveillance, selection, and the maintenance of decontamination, personal protective equipment, associated training. Personal protective equipment program should include the policy statement, procedure, the guidelines. Copies should be made available to all employees. Reference copies should be made available to the worksite. Technical data of the equipment made with the manual relevant regulation. Other essential information should be collected with the maintained incident command system. Paragraph 1910-120 requires the implementation of the incident control system. The incident control system organizes approach effectively control management operation emergency incident of the individual charge of the incident control management system. The senior official for the responding incident of the incident control system command system is not much of the different but the command post of the approach with even the many of the first five or several during large complexity of the fire involved with the several companies with many with the piece of the apparatus of the command post that would be a substance and this enabled the one individual charge managing incident rather than handling several off the different companies with making several sometimes conflicting decision individual charge of the command post with the delegate responsible for performing various tasks, subordinate officers, additional all communications were routed through all command posts, reduced the number of the radio transmissions, eliminated confusion. However, the stairs of the tactics all decisions were made with one individual The incident control system, very similar system. The emergency response to all incident for the large or small, but involve a hazardous substance. Small incident, the individual charge of the incident control system may perform many staff over the incident control system. They may not be able to live with the delegation such an ordinance. For example, the response of the small incident, the individual charge of the incident control system using normal command activity to become a safety effort. The maintenance is going to on one employee with the proper equipment and the back of the provided system for the need of the OSHA does recommend with however at least 2 employees designated back of the person outside in the sense of the assistance need may not include the rescue. Illustrates the operation of incident control system. The following scenarios may develop during the small incident of the overturned tank of the truck with a small leak of flammable liquid. Or the first responding senior official would implement the tank command and the incident command system. The person should be with the side without the incident determine additional personal apparatus if they would determine the actions of the tank control leak. Determine proper level of the personal efficiency and assistance with the need for the individual charge of the incident control system. Implement actions stop with the leak and be with a fewer number of the personnel that can effectively accomplish as individual charge of the incident command system. You the designated himself as the safety officer for the 2 other employees. They back up the other rescue men necessary for the incinerator decontamination procedure. A large complex incident may require the many of the employee with a difficult time with consuming the efforts of the control of the situation. Individual chain of the incident command system will want to delegate different tasks of the subordinate in order to maintain the command of the control of the building. They keep the number of the subordinates reporting manageable level of delegation. Task of the large incident, maybe the location of the incident scene, run particular subordinate of the office coordinating the activity within the sector have been assigned. Our delegation of the task can be also a function of the indicate the charge of the incident control command system. You can delegate large incident medical service evacuation, water supply, resource equipment, apparatus, the medical relations, everything site with control and integrated activities, while police for the crowd traffic control, large accident involved with the charge of the incident control command system with the same level of civil and probably back up the first number of the safety hazards, minor condition recommendations, for safety precautions. There are no measures to with the complexity of the incident. They may be the implementing of the incident command system will the individual try to make the decision to give the direction of all action communication coordinated with the one central point of the command system to reduce the confusion, root safety other than organize the conditions of the coordinated action to facilitate effective management of the incident. So safety control plan with safety security the response for some of the other area dimension response to incident with the chef of the borough concern with the incident commander. Use the site safety control plan to create lists for the charge of assuring the safety and help with the employees on the site. Comprehensive site safety control should include the following summary of the analyze the hazard on site of the risk, where they analyze those are the hazards of the mass site of the mass stretch, site work zone with the clean zone with the transition, decontamination zone, work of the hazard zone with the utility system, the combination command post, command central, seeing operation procedure, safety working procedure, medical assistance, and area hazard monitoring plan, air contamination monitoring, decontamination procedure, area with the other relevant area of the plan should be part of the employer's emergency response plan and the extension of the specific site. Medical surveillance program, work of the handling hazardous substance made with the exposure of the toxic chemical with the safety hazard, the biological hazard, the radiation. Therefore, the medical surveillance program is essential for the asset of the amount of work of the health of the employee with the hazardous waste observations during the course of the work, provided emergency other treatment is needed. They kept accurate with the record of future references. Occupational safety health guns of the manual of the hazardous waste site developed the National Institute of Occupational Safety Health and Occupational Safety and Health Administration and East Coast Guard of the Environmental Protection Agency in October 1985 provides an excellent example of the type of the medical test that should be done in the medical surveillance program. Our new technology spill containment program, the hazardous substance with the release of the spill container will be exposed to the employee with the hazardous material. The employer with the implementation of the program examine the control of the spill material, documenting ditching, the absorbent like the diatomaceous earth traditional technique of the proven the effectiveness over the year that have in recent years. New products have come into play for the youth over the complement for the effectiveness of the traditional method of the new product over the emergency response over the additional tool of the agents over the reduced hazard spill require spill materials. Alright, the agent of the rapidly applied over the large area of the uniformly applied the otherwise you with a small dam with improve the worker's ability with the control spill material with the application technique with the hand with the intermittent with the contact between the agent and the spill material allowing quickest effect of the agent quickest control spill material of the agents are available to solid liquefied specified materials supervisor vapor generation, spilled materials to do so. Both special agents comply with the recommended manufacturer, react with a controlled manner with the specified material to neutralize the acids, caustatics, and greatly reduce the level of the hazardous spilled material. There are several minor methods over the devices of the emergency response for some other involved with the special spill control efforts to safely apply with the spill control agents to control spilled material heavily, including portable measures where they applicated simply with a handheld portable fire extinguisher to the device, not with the hose systems with a portable firefighting foam system. Allow the operator to level the agent out with having come in contact with the spilled material. The operator is able to level the agent spilled material from remote positions. Solidification of the liquid provided with the rapid contamination isolation has the substance spilled by directing agent runoff points of the edge of the spill with the reactant to allow the automatically carry the barriers of flow with the top of the spray with the material to clean up the hazardous substance greatly improve the solidifying of the agents because they neutralize or activate the carbon absorbent and use it improperly supply with the agent. Totally solidified liquid per half of the substance of the neutralize with the and absorb the resolve of the material of which the less half of the easier to handle the transport is both of the concept of the spill treatment to create less half of the substance with the remove of the safety and level of the protection employed with the working and spill cleanup of the operations with the emergency response operations spill hazardous substances. The use of vapor suppression agent of the volatile hazardous substance with the flammable liquid over the substance with the present inhalation have the important the protected work the rapid uniformly distribution agent over the surface of the spilled material provide quick vapor knockdown with temporary with the long-term foam type of the agent with the effect of the vapors and with the effect of the absorption aiding with the effect of the vapor control for soaking with the liquid the proper use of the hose line handheld portable pressure applicators provided the good mobile mobility pressure members of the worker to deliver agent safety but differently heavily top of the untreated special spill material. Some of these systems can be recharged with a spill to provide the covering of large spill air with the design limited some single charge of the applicator. Some of them more effective agencies solidified some of the liquid most effective agents solidified the liquid flammable hazardous substance at the same time with a flash point at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Resulting substance visibility must be handled with a non-hazardous waste material that meets the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency Title 40 CFR Part 261. All workers performing hazardous substances will spill control work except for the protective equipment. Where protective equipment and material present with the following employers establish settings for the operating procedures spill control. Involve workers to be trained and establish operating procedures and use and care spill control equipment with associated with control of the hazardous spill contamination work. New tool agents should employ with the went and value with the new technology program the treatment spill of the hazardous substance of the way for the emergency incident with the part of the immediate spill contamination control of the fat for sometimes Appendix EPA and permanent exemption designed Title 2040 CFR 264-1G8 265-1C11 Appendix MD 1910-120 references.